Dr. Vikram. How are you?
Yes, I'm good.
Thank you for sparing some time from your busy schedule for us. So today we want to know about Ashwagandha. So Dr. Vikram, please tell us about Ashwagandha, how it's useful for a normal person in day-to-day life.
Ashwagandha, as the name says, it's a very, very popular plant in Ayurvedic medicine, very famous and very useful, and very much famous in India and also worldwide. All the Ayurvedic physicians, they use it in almost all of their patients.
Okay.
Ashwagandha, as the name says, is made of Ashwa and Gandha because the plant, it smells like horse body, horse urine and horse, the smell of a horse.
Okay.
That's why Gandha means the gandh or the smell of the horse.
Okay.
And Ashwa means horse.
So it smells just like a horse.
It smells like, it's the root of this plant. It smells like horse. Many people, they say it gives the power of horse, or that's why it is named as Ashwagandha. But
Okay.
actually, you can say it is the fact also because it is useful in stamina promoting, and it's used in endurance, male
Okay.
sexual health in medicines also.
Okay.
So adaptogen, I was telling you, is a substance which fights the stress, neutralizes the stress. So it is best anti-stress herb.
Okay.
The root extract is very useful.
Okay.
And I tell you something about this plant. This is a wonderful plant.
Okay.
It goes up to the height of about 5 feet.
Uh-huh.
And the root powder, as I told you, root is used medicinally and medically. And these are the flowers
Fruits
and fruits. And
Okay.
you see, if I open this is a plant of Solanaceae family. And this, they become reddish when mature, the fruits.
So
And
this
if you open up the fruit, this is full of seeds. Like, it's a characteristics of Solanaceae family.
Okay.
So like brinjal and ladyfinger, this is
Okay.
ashwagandha. So, but the fruits are not used in medicine, and even some people they use leaves also, but mainly the root powder is useful. And
Okay.
we make the extract. I prefer a root extract,
Okay.
standardized extract,
more
which is very
powerful.
powerful and very useful.
Okay.
And so many uses. Now a lot of research has been done on the active ingredient from the root. The major alkaloids are withanolides. Withanolides, vidaferin, these are the active ingredients or active chemicals found in this plant. There is another plant, I want to show you that plant also. It's
Okay.
lying down.
So
these
it's
two-
commonly available.
It's commonly available, and it's not that it doesn't grow too high. It is just
So it's a small shrub.
it is a shrub 5 to 6 feet.
Okay.
And as I was telling you, it is the vithanolides and the vidaferin A especially very useful in cancer treatment,
Okay.
and very useful in arthritis,
Mhm.
analgesic and anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, raptogenic, anti-stress, and very
So
useful.
many
So
benefits.
many diseases, even in arthritis it is useful, asthma it is useful,
Mhm.
in when there is nerve pain, suppose trigeminal neuralgia is there, insomnia is there, restlessness is there,
Okay.
and lack of sleep is there, anxiety and stress is there.
Mhm.
If someone is having this trigeminal neuralgia and some headache is there,
Okay.
then this stress
So
relieving
it has so many benefits.
yeah, even in males they use it for it can be used for premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction, and low sperm count,
Uh-huh.
lack of libido also. It's very
Yeah, it's very
and
popular,
in
I think.
muscle building, body building. In females it increases the bone density. Usually in females after menopause,
Uh-huh.
the bone density decreases. Let me show you the other plant. This is the plant. This is another plant.
Okay.
You see, this is a very beautiful plant.
Okay.
Nowadays it's winter. In the summertime, you will see these fruits. They will become reddish
Okay.
in color. And
I have seen red fruits.
yeah, you have seen red fruits.
Yeah.
But the fruits are not used in medicine.
It's just for identification.
Yeah, just for identification purpose.
Mhm.
Some people they use these leaves also for weight loss.
Yeah.
So it's also, and some anti-cancer substance is also found in the leaves. So that is called vidaferin A, as I explained you.
Uh-huh.
So vidaferin A we are using for anti-cancer purposes.
Okay. So, Dr. Vikram, as we know that you have written a thesis, your main thesis was herb was Ashwagandha and Bala. So, in that scenario, you explained this herb as useful in diabetic neuropathy, etc.
Yeah, I did my thesis on uses of Ashwagandha, especially in diabetes. Actually, in diabetes, there is a myopathy mainly.
Okay.
My thesis was on the result of Ashwagandha on myopathy, muscle loss.
Okay.
In diabetes, there is a lot of muscle loss, wasting.
Yeah.
So it increases the
Weakness.
strength. There is a lot of neuropathy also there. So it also helps in neuropathy, diabetic neuropathy and this myopathy.
Okay.
And when there is muscle loss and there is lack of stamina, lack of energy, fatigue is also there. It is a non-steroidal stimulant, I would say.
Okay.
It doesn't contain any artificial steroids.
Okay.
It has something natural steroids, but they are causing no side effects.
That is
So
very
that is
great.
wonderful.
Yeah, that's great.
It's a wonderful medicine. It should be given,
So-
can be taken by everybody.
So to conclude this talk, we just want to ask that Ashwagandha, as you said, extract is better.
Yeah.
So how much quantity should be consumed?
Normally I give 1 to 2 capsules,
Okay.
2 times a day, 500 mg of capsules.
Okay.
And if you take powder form, then the dosage should be higher,
Yeah.
about 3 to 6 grams or 1 tablespoonful morning and evening.
Okay.
But it is little bitter.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
But if you ask me Ayurvedic properties from bitter, I want to tell you some Ayurvedic properties also.
please tell, sir.
Yeah. It is mainly bitter and astringent, and the potency or the virya, its heart,
Okay.
and the vipaka or the after digestion metabolic property, it is sweet.
Okay.
These are the Ayurvedic principles.
Okay.
Ayurvedic basic characteristics of this.
Okay.
plant.
So there are so many, I think, products of Planet Ayurveda which contain this herb Ashwagandha.
Yeah.
So other products which like Atira Sadi and Male Sport Formula,
Because
they
I have told you that this can be used in so many
so they
diseases.
in that Atira Sadi it's in a powder form.
Yeah.
It's
In Atir Sadi, we use the Atir Sadi product for male stamina promotion.
Okay.
Atir Sadi powder. For we have used the root powder.
Okay.
For stress support, there is we are using the extract of Ashwagandha.
Okay.
So we have stress support product. So
Uh-huh.
that is also very good for stress.
So you prefer that Ashwagandha can be used by normal day-to-day activities,
Yeah, everybody can.
can use, because stress is
Stress
the
is there.
main
Even
problem.
memory, insomnia, lack of sleep.
These are the
In
major
sleep
problems.
products,
Yeah.
Ashwagandha is good.
Mhm.
So Ashwagandha is useful for everybody.
So thank you, Dr. Vikram, for explaining so nicely about this very great herb.